NVIDIA plus IREN lock in 5 GW for AI factories, what it means. NVIDIA and IREN just outlined an intent to deploy up to 5 GW of AI infrastructure, a signal the AI bottleneck is shifting from chips to power and sites. Here's the mechanism, what's confirmed, and what to track next. Education only, not financial advice. The most important number in AI right now isn't parameters, it's gigawatts. NVIDIA and data center operator IREN just announced a partnership they say could support deployment of up to 5 gigawatts of AI infrastructure. If you care about AI economics, this is a clue about what the next bottleneck really is. 5 gigawatts isn't a product feature, it's a constraint breaker. It's land, permits, grid interconnects, cooling, buildings, and operations. The press release frames this as DSX-aligned AI infrastructure across IREN's pipeline. Translation: NVIDIA wants a path to deploy accelerated compute at scale in AI factories, not just sell boxes. The most specific and unusual part is the investment right. IREN issued NVIDIA a 5-year right to purchase up to 30 million shares at $70 per share. If fully exercised, that's a right to invest up to $2.1 billion, subject to conditions including regulatory. This looks like NVIDIA aligning incentives with the power and sites pipeline, not just the GPU pipeline. They also name a concrete anchor, IREN's 2 gigawatt Sweetwater campus in Texas, which they expect to serve as a flagship deployment. The point isn't the marketing, it's that the AI factory era is getting geographically specific. Whoever controls real, deliverable power pipelines gets an advantage. If this thesis is right, the competitive edge isn't just model quality. It's the ability to turn demand into deployed capacity. That helps everyone who can ship the full stack: compute, networking, software, power, operations, and it pressures anyone without a credible time to power plan. 2 important caveats. First, the wording is intent and expected. This is not a guaranteed build schedule. Second, the share purchase right is subject to conditions, including regulatory. The real test is execution, what gets built, when it gets powered, and whether utilization matches the hype. If you're an operator or investor, track 3 numbers: gigawatts, time to power, and utilization. When those move, everything downstream moves: GPU demand, cloud pricing, enterprise deployment timelines, and who can actually deliver AI factories at scale.